Then Jesus declared, this is John 6:35, I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never go hungry. Whoever believes in me will never be thirsty. You see that? Whoever comes to me will never be hungry. Whoever comes to me will never be thirsty. I will have satisfaction for you. You will find that fullness that you are longing for. But then the argument comes, but this ain't as sexy as the other stuff, the social media, the instant gratification. I know. Like, you want to know what I'm starting out of every morning? Here's what I'm starting out. I'm starting out the cheapest Bible you could possibly get. I'm talking, you can go to the Dollar Tree right now and spend $1.07 with tax if you live in Indiana. Smallest print, King James Version. And I'm going through that thing right now. I got about 3 months left. I'll have that thing cover to cover again. Why? Because I don't want no excuses. You can't tell me that you can't get fed on that. I go spend $1.07. You know how many times I've ate? It's like the dollar menu, baby, and it keeps feeding me. And on the cheap, too. But I'm getting full. I'm getting satisfied. You with your little $1,200 iPhones on your social media all day, you leave wanting. You like paying for a fine dine cuisine, but you got to hit Taco Bell afterward because you're still starving. And that's the difference. You say, but yours is hard. Tell me it is. But what's the Bible say? Like, mine's work. I understand that. You got to get up and put some effort into this. You got to dig through this Bible like you mine them for gold. I understand it's going to be a little bit harder. But the Bible says, if a man don't work, a man don't eat. You want that instant gratification, that microwave meal, that stuff on your social media you think is going to fill you, it ain't going to feed you. I promise you, you are going to be left wanting. You're going to be that people in the black style rolling next to someone, flipping them off, cussing them out, and don't even understand who they doing it to. Because you fed on the wrong stuff. Because you're starving inside and you think the problem's out there. It ain't out there, it's what you're feeding in here. And God said, this is what you need. I am the bread of life. If you're hungry, come to me. I got more than enough. Because here's the thing about it. This ain't communion. This ain't some church Sunday service where you get a pinch and a sip and you're supposed to be good with it. This is the manna of heaven, the real bread of heaven. He says, eat. I'm talking until you satisfied. Eat. You done with one translation? Good, getting another one. You done with that one? Good, getting another one. I got more to feed you with. You don't even know the extent that he has for us to gain. And that's the difference, my man, because this fruit that he feeds you comes from a good tree, comes from the throne itself.